Estimate. Now, estimate is something which is mostly we are reviewing the developments. Okay, we are reviewing the development of a specific era. Like it could be estimate the achievements of Alauddin Khilji. Okay, it could be estimate the personality of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So whenever you're going for estimate, here a bit of a challenge is going to come. Because for estimate, you should be aware about the dimensions, how estimation should be done. तो अगर आपसे पूछ लें कि estimate the economic achievements of independent India. So whenever the directive estimate comes, you should be ready with a structure. Like suppose if they ask you estimate the personality of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, तो हमने क्लास में किया था ना, it can be divided into his personal life as well as his professional or as a ruler. Okay, if they ask for estimate of the reign of any specific emperor, so we'll see all the important dimensions as a ruler, which could be in his political or administrative innovation. We'll see economic impact. तो सारा आ जाएगा इसमें कि so how liberal that person, social, cultural. Okay, it could be even his scientific. तो जितने भी possible dimensions हैं, we can estimate the achievements along those parts. So estimation is all about what is your verdict on that. Okay, what is your verdict on that? So estimation is something which is done always in the hindsight. कि अचीवमेंट हो चुकी है, तो ये जो एस्टिमेशन का जो है ये कीवर्ड काफ़ी फेमस रहता है इन हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल, बिकॉज आर सब्जेक्ट के अलाइनमेंट में रहता है एस्टिमेशन. Okay, so to estimate means to make a rough calculation or judgment. So you have to pass some judgment about the value, size or amount of something, and the aim is to provide a rough approximation. And components क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Information, data, whatever you know about the dimensions you have to generate. These dimensions are also going to be very important. Political, economic, social, cultural, religious, all those dimensions. Along those different dimensions, you have to estimate